So hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aman and you're watching actor Shaurya Chile from India. So today we are going to do the movie review of 777 Charlie, directed by Kiran Raj K, and in the lead roles we have Rakshit Shetty and Charlie. So before starting this video, I am making this video in English so that whoever watches the review can understand my language. If there is any fault in my English, then please do forgive me. Otherwise, let me know in the comments. Thanks for listening. Do continue with the video. So if you are new to this channel and seeing me for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel because I bring exclusive movie related contents almost daily. So 777 Charlie is a Kannada language movie. It is a action drama adventure movie. This movie is also released in 4 dubbed languages, which is Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil and Telugu. So when the first trailer of this movie released, I didn't like it personally because it was looking similar to other Hollywood dog movies. But when they dropped the second trailer of this movie, I watched it and my perception about this movie totally changed because this trailer promised a lot of elements in this movie and it was so interesting to watch. So last week on 10th June, this movie released in theaters and I watched it on this Wednesday with my family. So I couldn't do the movie review that day because I was a bit busy because I am a student who doesn't study. So and also I wanted to discuss in detail about this movie, so I didn't make a video in a hurry. So let's move forward to the spoiler-free movie review of 777 Charlie. So if I tell the story a little bit, then the story starts with a character named Dharma, which is played by Rakshit Shetty. He is an alcoholic guy, he is a rude, ruthless guy who has lost the meaning of his life and no one in the society likes him.
मेरा नाम है धर्मा।
ओए धर्मा, अधर्मी है तू।
जिंदगी में कभी इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता। अपने हिसाब से मैं ठीक ही हूँ।
देखो आदि, अगर तुम नहीं खाओगी तो हिटलर मामा तुम्हें ले जाएंगे।
पर लोगों का नजरिया कुछ अलग है।
बाल बच्चे होते तो पता चलता।
घर, फैक्ट्री, लड़ाई, इडली, सिगरेट, बियर, बस यही है जिंदगी में और कुछ नहीं।
And then come the entry of the hero of this movie in Dharma's life, which is
इसको तो कुत्ता भी नहीं पूछने वाला।
After the entry of Charlie, what happens in Dharma's life and how it happens also in Charlie's life is basically the plot of this movie. I would not say much about the plot of this movie, then it will be a spoiler for you. So if you want to know more about this movie, then you go to your nearest theater and watch this movie. So if I talk about the positive points of this movie, the first positive point of this movie is its idea. There are many very few Indian movies where there are animals involved and very few movies which are so much effective, but Charlie does all the things very minutely. The second positive point of this movie is it follows a linear pattern of storytelling and a simple pattern of storytelling which engages the audience throughout. The third positive point of this movie is Rakshit Shetty's performance. He is a tremendous actor. I didn't see his first previous movies, but when I saw him on the screen, he was tremendous. He was terrific in the screen. His dialogue delivery, his presence, his acting skills, his emotional scenes, those were definitely a treat to watch. So the fourth positive point of this movie is its background music. The background music of this movie elevates each and every scene with a greater boost. It makes us feel the scene with the emotional music, and whether it's comedy or the music is very much effective. The fifth positive point of this movie is its side characters. Yes, the side characters of this movie, like the doctor, his assistant, or the wife and the husband in the tea shop, or Blackie and his owner, and the little girl. These small side characters are very much important. Means when you will come back from the theater after watching the movie, these characters will stay in your memory. So this is the fifth positive point. The sixth positive point of this movie are its comedy scenes. The movie has very few comedy scenes, but how many they have, they are really effective. Especially the conversation between the character of Dharma and the doctor. Those scenes are really hilarious. And also the emotional scenes are also really effective. I will count the comedy scenes and emotional scenes within the fifth positive. The sixth positive point of this movie is its second half. In the second half, the movie turns into an adventurous journey. And after a point of time, you being the audience, you also realize that you are also part of their journey. You feel like you are also traveling along with Dharma and Charlie. So this is the sixth positive point of this movie. Now coming to the most important factor, the most important positive, negative, whatever you will say, the most important, the soul of this movie is its Charlie. Charlie is the soul of this movie, and I don't know from which acting school she has learned acting. Means she deserves an Oscar. Really, she deserves an Oscar. What an acting, man! Like India got a new actress, a brilliant actress to act for. So Charlie played an really, what to say? Means I am out of words. I don't know how they have trained the dog. I mean Charlie. How they have trained Charlie. This how the process have gone through. But really, a hats off to the team that they have done this so great. So great. How they have managed, I don't know, but this is really appreciable. So Charlie did a really good job, and you should definitely go to see this movie at least for Charlie. She did an amazing job. An amazing job she did. So these were the positive points of this movie. There are more positive points of this movie, and if I continue saying this, then this video will take a whole long day. So I cannot take so much time of you, and you also can't spend so much time. So these were the most important positive points of this movie I felt like sharing with you. And if I talk about negative points, then I didn't get any negative points in this movie because I was so engaged with the movie throughout. So if I say one thing in negative, I am not saying that it is a negative point. If I have to say, then I will say the length of the movie, and in some points of the movie, the film it was like repetitive. And some scenes were repetitive a bit, but that don't matter so much. So if you are thinking to watch this movie, you can definitely go and watch this movie, and I guarantee you, if you are a dog lover, you will really enjoy this movie. And if you are not a dog lover, after coming from the theater, after watching this movie, you will become one. Yes, you will become a dog lover after seeing this movie. So you know there is a proverb that one day a dog will come to your life and change everything. So the movie 777 Charlie justifies this statement very much accurately. So what you're waiting for, book your tickets now for 777 Charlie and go with your family and enjoy this emotional joy ride. And before ending the video, I would like to mention one dialogue from this movie which I liked very much. Actually, I enjoyed this dialogue very much. So in the first half, Dharma says this dialogue that I am saying this in Hindi कि मुझसे कभी भी किसी ने अगर मदद मांगी तो मैं उसको खाली हाथ कभी भी नहीं भेजा, बेइज्जती करके ही भेजा. So this was a very nice dialogue. So I really liked the dialogue. In some scenes, this movie will really bring tears in your eyes. Yes. I was also being emotional during the movie when I saw it. And yes, the most important part, when you will come back from the theater, when the movie will end, just wait for 5 minutes because there is a mid-credit scene and there is a surprise for you. Don't miss the mid-credit scene. Not the post-credit, it's a mid-credit scene and there's a good surprise for you. That will make your mood very happy. And yes, and so if you like the video, if you enjoyed the video, then do like my video and subscribe to my channel because I am a budding YouTuber and I am starting to deliver this type of content. So, and yes, if you want, then you can share this video with your friends, family, relatives, whoever you can. And that's it, I am ending this video here. So yes, bye, enjoy the movie.
Every dog has its day. Today is Charlie's.